In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a text link to an email using Klaviyo. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to enhance their email marketing efforts, as links can direct your readers to important content or offers. Let's go step by step, ensuring you feel confident by the end of this process. To begin, open your favorite web browser and type in the address bar www.klaviyo.com. Once the site loads, you'll need to click on the login button. Make sure you have your credentials ready, as you'll need to enter them to access your account. Upon successful login, Klaviyo will take you to your dashboard. On the dashboard, navigate to the campaigns section. This is usually found on the left sidebar. Click on it to view all your current marketing campaigns. Scroll through your list or use the search function to find the specific email campaign to which you'd like to add a text link. Click on that campaign to open it. Once there, you'll need to proceed by clicking Next, which will advance you to the email template editor. This editor is a powerful tool that gives you control over how your email will look and function. Here, look for the edit button associated with your email template and give it a click. Now, turn your attention to the content sidebar where you'll find various elements you can add to your email. What you're looking for is the text block element. Simply drag it from the sidebar into an appropriate spot in your email template. Doing so will open up a space for you to enter the text. With your text block in place, type or paste the text that you want to transform into a link. It could be a call to action like click here for more details, or simply the name of a product or page you wish to direct users to. Highlight the text you've just entered. This means clicking and dragging over the text to ensure it's selected. Next, look at the editor toolbar above your text block. You'll be specifically looking for a button that looks like a chain link icon. This is the link button, and clicking it will open a pop-up window. In this window, you'll see a field where you can paste the URL that you want your text to link to. Ensure it's the correct web address to provide a seamless experience for your recipients. After entering the URL, you'll likely see buttons like Apply or OK. Click on one of these to confirm the creation of your link. One of the most important steps is to always preview your email before sending it out. This lets you verify that the link functions properly and that everything appears as it should. By doing this final check, you can avoid any potential issues that could arise if the link was set incorrectly. And there you have it. Within a few minutes, you've successfully added a text link to your email using Klaviyo, making your marketing efforts more engaging and effective.